Okay, we're gonna swap out the video card, and got the new card that you'll get in the box here with more thermal compound. So you'll want to start with removing the bottom panel, the large panel on the bottom. Screw here, 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 here. Alright, and then this is the video card here and the related heat sinks. Each of these holes are numbered. It doesn't matter what order you remove the screws in, but you'll want to put them back in the numbered order. So we'll just start taking these off. That was the 4 here. Now this is actually a separate unit from that, so we should remove that. Now this will come with all new heat sinks, so you don't have to worry about cleaning any of that stuff off. Just set that aside. And there's one back here. Helps if your screwdriver is magnetic. Alright, and then that little label is a handle. This one's a little tight. Okay. Then looks like we need to switch to flathead. Get these standoff screws off. Okay. Should pop up like that. Slides out of the socket that way. And just set that aside. Now, the new one, and I'm not going to go through and actually install this, but the new one will literally go back in that same location. So I'll pretend like we're installing, but just use the old one. There's 2. This might be a good time to clean out your fans. You can see mine's a little messy. This is actually my personal laptop. Ugh. Switch back to Phillips. Black screws. Yeah, actually, let's put them both on so that we can go in the right order. Now, your piece, you'll want to remove that little protector film there to expose the thermal compound, so that when you press it down, it makes a nice clean connection to the processor. This one's the silver screws. And that's number 1 here. Just hand tight. Sorry, that's 4. I won't tighten that one down yet. So 1, 2 on the diagonal. 3. And then 4. Black screw, 5 in the back. Six on the right. Seven on the left. Replace the cover and the screws. And that's it.